Ladies and gentlemen, right in front of me I have a BMW 135i. This thing was built and customized by DreamWorks Customs.
At DreamWorks Customs, they do a number of services, including car customizations, car detailing, and also car rebuilds. I know one is probably asking, where do I get these guys? These guys are located in the East Rand in Pomona, Kempton Park.
Let's bring in the guys from DreamWorks Customs to tell us more about this beautiful German machine. How's it, brother?
How's it, brother? How are you?
Good, good, man.
Lekker, man.
Tell us about yourself, your name.
So, my name is Enrico. I'm the owner of DreamWorks Customs and Talk Lab. So yeah, we do detailing, performance modifications, pretty much everything involving a car. As you can see, this is my personal vehicle. We've done quite a bit. It's a 5.4 AutoWorks, manufactured manifold and everything. We've done turbos twice now.
Please excuse my sound. My mics decided to die on me while I was still recording. You know what happens, it's life, man.
Custom catch can design. We haven't put it on the dyno yet. We're still busy with a few small odds and ends that we need to get perfect before it's ready for a dyno and pushing out some.
Thank you so much.
Man.
Let's go for a drive.
Yeah, let's do it.
This is our very first episode of this series called Built Not Bought. In this series, we're going to be featuring a number of iconic cars that are built, not bought, as the name says. For more, please subscribe to the channel.
This basically allows me to read codes.
Okay.
I can retune the car from my phone. I can do everything from my phone. I can monitor oil, everything.
Almost everything about it. It's literally more like the gauge, just not those physical gauges that you will find maybe in a lot
like
of
pod gauges and stuff. This does everything off of my phone.
Alright.
So it's a lot more convenient. Obviously my phone dies, then it's a different story, but
yeah,
it works.
Alright, let's go for this drive.
Sweet.
This sounds mental.
Yeah, we still managed to retain a lot of the OEM sound that the N55 produces.
Yeah, because it sounds aggressive, but not that aggressive. Like in a way that's you can still drive it as a daily.
Yeah.
It can still be a daily. It still sounds good. Oh, those pops and bangs. Ooh.
So everything now is still set to a low boost. We only targeting 18 psi. So it's still, we can go up to about 22. It's yeah, we'll be moving.
I'm sure this thing moves.
Another nice thing this car has is rolling anti-lock HD. So I just press this button.
When you're downshifting, it doesn't jump. It's not jumpy. It's just perfect. It's just perfect. That's fine. Jesus Christ.
Only problem with this car is every time you're on a pool, the second you get to where, like closer to cars, you've got to be on the brakes and leave them.
Otherwise, you're definitely gonna find yourself on top of that roof. This thing is do a quick sound check. Let's get it, man.
This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe. From now going forward, I'm going to be dropping more consistently so that we can have more content. This is your new home for your cars,